Hi, Happy New Year once again. My name is Michael Vinmakconsult, your business coach. I'm sure as a business owner, I'm sure as an entrepreneur, but now you have your plans. And you can see how the year is running. You have to start implementing your plans. You need to break your plans down into daily goals. Maximum 5 things that you can do every day successfully. Every day. Write down 5 things you can do successfully. The year has a lot of promise. We'll say, this year, 2023, will be great. But if you are not intentional implementing your plans, implementing things you wish to achieve, 2023 will end and you will not achieve anything. You start asking, so soon the year has gone? Yes. So be intentional and implement things you said you will do. If you say you will go to school this year, start working on it. Don't wait until March. Don't wait until June. It will be too late. If you say this year, I'm going to improve on my management skills, how I manage my business, I'm going to improve on it. Start this year. If you want to get a coach to coach you through your business, start now. Very, very key. Very, very important. And in case you need my assistance, just leave a comment under this video and I'll contact you. Thank you.